So after having the discussion on the detailed discussion on the specification of the designation of the grinding wheel, so let us take one example and we can learn how to select the grinding wheel. Okay, so what is given in the example? Number one, a side of the HSS toolbar have to be finished ground on a surface grinder. The machine restricts the diameter of the wheel 150 millimeter and no coolant is used. Find out the type of wheel required for the operation. Okay, so this example I will show you in details with the recommendation and the comments for that. Okay, so which grinding wheel we are going to select or recommend here. So let's start. So see here, so in table form I will show you. Okay, so here we will recommend, we are having the recommendation and why we recommend this, for that we are having the comments here. Okay, so as you know, what is the standard format for the designating the grinding wheel is that alphabet number and alphabet. So these are the five things, and the suffix and prefix are the manufacturer's codes, or these are the secret codes which is used by the manufacturer. So this is no issue here. We are interested only in the five things. First thing is abrasive, second thing is grid size, third thing is grade, fourth is structure, and fifth one is bonding material. So here what is given? The HSS toolbar. We have to ground. Yes or no? So high speed steel material is here, which is quite having a high strength ferrous alloy, isn't it? So for that purpose, we are using the abrasive as a aluminum oxide. Okay, as the material is to be ground is HSS, which is high strength ferrous alloy. We will select or choose the aluminum oxide as a abrasive material. So for that, aluminum oxide is represented by letter capital A. Now let us think about what is the grid size. Which grid size or grain size we have to select for the abrasives. Okay. See here, they have called this grinding operation for the uh, s- surface finish, a good surface finish, but they have not prescribed the specific value of the surface finish. Yes or no? So definitely the grinding is going to call for the fine grid size, because as surface finish requirements are high, we are going for the fine grid size, and there is no any issue of unnecessary going for the very fine, okay, or much finer size. So in the fine range we can select the value of this grid size for the grinding wheel as 70. Okay, next we can think for the grade, as here the material is comparatively harder, and therefore we should choose the grade in the softer side or medium side, or maybe in the medium range can be selected. We can select the K. Okay, then we talk about the structure. See here, the surface grinding operation, we can use the medium structure. The medium structure, the value is up to 7 we can use. And here the restriction of the wheel size is up to 150 mm, so it's not a quite large wheel. So, and the operation, of course, the finish grinding, thus the chances of large heat generation are quite less, so therefore we can use the vitrified bond for this purpose. Okay, so in totality, finally, if you look at the full size recommendation of this grinding wheel, or the correct specification or designation of grinding wheel, then the wheel will be having the specification as capital A 70, capital K 7V, where A is for abrasive, 70 is grid size, K is a grade, 7th is structure, and V is a bond, vitrified bond. Okay, so this is how we can have the thinking to select the appropriate grinding wheel for given operation. Okay, let us see the example number 2. The base of the brass bracket has to be rough ground to remove the unevenness. Okay, the four wheels are available in the store are, so these are the wheels available in the store. So one is A30K12V, another is C90M4V, third one is C30Q12V, and fifth one is C50G8V. So we have to go for the most suitable wheel. So students, take it as a homework or for you. So as far as my knowledge is based, this question is asked in GATE 2020 for 1 mark. You can cross check whether it is a same question or not. So anyways, definitely uh, do by your own, and the correct choice as far my opinion is that this C30Q12V can be selected as a suitable wheel for this. Okay, so take it as a homework and do yourself. So this correct answer is C30Q12V is the most suitable grinding wheel for this operation. Then let's have the third example. So select the grinding wheel required for the rough grinding, please. While selection, you should see very keenly what is given in the question. Which kind of surface finish, which kind of workpiece material, definitely they will give us. Okay. So here rough grinding of, this is not cast, this is cast iron bed of machine tools. Here bed of machine of course made of cast iron. You have to select the most suitable grinding wheel for this operation. So again my request is that, so whichever the discussion we had in these videos, please go through it and select by your own the most suitable grinding wheel. I will tell you the answer is what. See, the most suitable grinding wheel for this operation, you can have the C24HGV, and the reason is why it is so, you can uh, conclude it very nicely if you have gone through these videos. Okay, so these are certain grinding operations. I have put here the picture. Say this is surface grinding operation. Okay, this is work and this is wheel, and work is giving the feed like this. So here is a surface grinding, this is horizontal, this is vertical, and this is a cylindrical grinding operation. Okay, this is work and this is your wheel. Thank you for this video.